I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And today we have two new special friends with us who are going to introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Miranda and I'm from BU. I'm studying to be a child life specialist.
Great.
Hi, I'm Carlina and I'm from Lesley University and I'm studying to be an expressive arts therapist.
Great. Welcome. We're happy to have you with us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Peggy, what are we making today?
Today we're making paper plate parrots.
Nice. I made one too. They're hard to fit in the screen.
I know.
They are. I love them.
Yes. Okay. So before we begin our craft, we're going to start with one of our breathing techniques to help get us focused and ready to begin. So this one is going to be a flying bird breath or a flying parrot breath. So we're going to start with our arms at our sides, and we're going to pretend we're a big, strong parrot, and we're going to inhale, and you can watch first and slowly raise your wings up above your head until your palms come together. And then you're going to exhale slowly and bring your wings back to your side. So we'll do that 2 times together. Okay, so arms at our sides, deep inhale. And exhale slowly. Good, and one more time. And exhale.
Great. I feel relaxed, ready to go.
Nice. I like how we were all together on that.
Yeah, me too.
So what supplies do we need for today?
Paper plate, paint, scissors, paper, markers, tape or glue.
All right. So we're ready to begin. And the first step is we pre-painted our plates, but you want to paint a paper plate. I did both sides, but you really don't have to do both sides. And then what you're going to do, you're going to have 2 main parts to your bird, the body and the head. So you kind of want to think of dividing the plate into 3 parts. And so you're going to cut off about 1/3 of the plate. So you're going to cut off like about up here. So that smaller section is going to be the head.
And remember, if you need some help with scissors, please ask a parent or friend or caregiver to help you with the scissors. Okay, mine might be a little less than whatever, but anything goes.
Okay, so then you have 2 sections. So then what you're going to do is you're going to glue the head to the body. So you want to have the straight part on the outside, and then you're just going to glue or tape the head up top.
Okay, I took just regular tape and I made it into, I folded it to be double-sided.
I think I'm going to do the same.
That
on my
works well.
first one I did glue, but it didn't hold.
Yeah. Well, mine has
So
a
do you think
very big belly, this parrot.
Do you think it's easier to use tape for the head?
I
than
think
use
so.
glue?
I think so.
But if you don't have tape, glue will work. It just takes a little longer to dry. All right.
Okay. We all have our bodies and head together.
Yes. Nice.
All right. And then the next step is we're going to make the beak. And so we're going to take whatever color construction paper you want for that. So I'm going to do orange.
I'm going to do yellow.
And you're going to trace like half a circle. So you can like line it up. I have a big piece of construction paper, and then you're just gonna like trace or cut along the top there, so it
Yeah.
matches the front part of,
I did it kind of like this. I held it like this, and then I'm just cutting from the back. Whatever way is easiest.
right. Right, it's basically a half circle shape. I think it's fun making the beak a different color.
And then you're gonna, once you cut that out, you can tape that on or glue it on too.
I actually had like orange paint, so I painted mine too. So I guess you could do it either way.
Oh,
Nice, that's a good idea.
yeah, that is a
Yeah.
good idea. Like with all our crafts, however you want to do it, that works best for you.
Right.
We always say there's no right or wrong in art, so you just do it how you
Right.
want. All right, so here is,
That kind of makes it easier, Carlina, I think.
yeah. All right,
I have to take mine on.
and then while Peggy's doing that, the next step is gonna be to put on an eye. If you have a googly eye, that's fun, and you can do that. I just cut out a piece of white paper and I took a marker and made the eyeball. So I'm gonna do that for this one too.
I feel like when you put the eye on it, becomes alive.
Yes, for sure. While we're doing that, guess what I have, Peggy and everybody?
I thought you have a joke about, I don't
I
know,
do.
is it a joke about a parrot or a bird?
I have a parrot joke.
All right.
Okay, so what do you get when you cross a parrot and a centipede?
A parrot, what do you get when you cross a parrot and a centipede?
Centipede, yes.
Parrot and a centipede. I have no.
I don't know.
I'm gonna tell you. A walkie-talkie.
Oh,
That's a good
I
one.
like that. That's a
Thank
good
you.
one. I like that.
Thanks. All right, so here's my eye.
I know I tried to glue my eye. It didn't work.
I like your the green and yellow. I love all these colors together.
I know, I
They're
do
so
too.
bright.
Like the blue one.
Yeah.
I like the blue one, Peggy. But I also I used the glue dot for
Oh,
my googly eye. But like also it
Yeah.
just depends what you have at home. Yep.
right. Good. Let me see yours, Miranda. Oh, I like that. The green and the yellow.
These are so pretty together.
They are.
Yeah.
It's like a family of parrots.
Yes. So Peggy, what's the last step?
So the last step is the feathers. So you can use lots of different things. I use tissue paper on this one. I'm going to use strips of construction paper today. You
Okay.
can use ribbon. I think Miranda, you have ribbon or string. What are you using, Carlina?
I am using ribbon.
Okay.
And I'm using, for this one, I use just construction paper. And what I did is I just cut some strips and crumpled them and taped them on.
Right. And
The
Or-
crumpling is fun.
right. The other thing you can do if you want, you don't even have to crumple or fold them, but you can also accordion fold them where you fold down and then back. I'm sure some of you have done this for other crafts where you make it like an accordion. So however you want, you can, and then you're going to put them all together and you're going to put them on the left side or the straight edge side of your parrot. And you can tape it, you can staple it, however you want to get it to stay. And you can kind of do them all together.
Well, I had my pre-cut ribbon here, but like it seems to have
Uh,
disappeared in front of me.
This
Maybe-
happens to us quite a lot.
It flew away.
Yeah, it must have flown away.
That's okay.
But you know what? You can just work on it later.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm so oh, It ended up on my floor.
Okay.
It's on the floor, but that is okay.
Yes.
I'm gonna staple this.
So I just taped mine again, just crumble them up and I taped it. So,
I like it with the paper.
yeah, I do too. That looks good with the accordion. I love it. How's yours coming, Miranda? Oh, that looks nice with ribbon.
Yeah, I like the ribbon.
Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, it looks.
Oh,
it's-
We can make them all fly.
Yeah.
So
You can actually like put a little hole in the top and hang it.
Yeah.
oh yeah, that'd be a cute idea.
That would be a
Yeah.
good idea.
So
I'm gonna
I
do that.
got more ribbon,
Oh, good.
and now I can do this.
Yeah, I'm gonna try hanging mine up later, maybe. And now
That's right. I have two.
family of parrots or friends,
Yeah,
whatever they are.
Right.
I like a family of parrots.
Yes.
Right.
That's cute.
Well, thanks for joining us.
Yes.
It was fun to have you both. Oh, that looks great.
Yeah.
And
Like-
if you'd like to see some more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Have fun.
Bye. Have fun.